everyone. I'm Yash, and I'm gonna review about an project that I have completed. The domain of that project is app.productfabrics.com. It was completely an project management tool. In this, you can manage completely project. You can create in diagrams, notes, connections. These are the stuff that you can create. Firstly, I'm gonna show you about how you can sign up at this. Let's create a name within John 123 as an username, and I'm keeping John and Eva. Now let's go with a John at the rate gmail.com, and I'm sign upping as an project manager so that I can create an notes whatever the functionality I can show you. This is for the browsing. This is for the lead. Project manager will assign a lead, and the modeler will remain as model. Firstly, I'm gonna create show the case of with the modular. The password I can set as, let's set the password same as email. All right. Now go to the sign up. Just yeah. Sometimes my internet connection get fails. So if I go here and Joe, click on the sign up functionality now. I have signed up as an user, and I'll go to the project section, or let me go to the dashboard first. You can see in few template these were the by default. Just go to the project section, click on the new project, go to the I am keeping as in product fabrics description. This is an demo project, and the related I can relate it to the attempt final, or we can say to an new mobile family. In project template, project size can be medium. This can be e-commerce, and red revenues in USD. Now just click on the project selection, click on the create. Now the project has been created. Now from here you can just create an empty templates. You can decide up here and Adidas as a name. Click on the save. Now if I click on another template, then click on it. Now check as select as project number 5. Click on the save button. You can drag and drop all the functionality here, and if you want to create a connection, then you can just drag and drop here, and you can name as com. This was the basic functionality here, and from here you can just pin up all the functionality, hide node filter. You can add media files from here. You can add and comments, and these were the things. And let me show you another type of a project. From here, just go to the technical section. I'm selecting as an now previous project. Here you can just create and flows to your projects. Under the hood, this can be a tree-like structure, nodes under the nodes. You can create name as an flow. You can define the description. You can define. Click on the I button first to enable edit. You can define the type of an flow. From here, if you wanted to do an functionality chats, or you can say if you want to decide and flow, you have to code it in this way, and all the diagrammatical format will come up here. If you want to decide any information regarding this, then you can decide it here also. And for example, if I would like to show how to create a subnode in this under the activation flow, click on this I button, add a subnode, and subnode. Click on the save button. So now the subnode has been created. Click on the start flow. This is completely empty. Here on the I button, click on the sequence flow diagram, or you can define, you can code it in this manner, and click on this. Whatever the errors will come up here, you can see it here. And these were the stuff that I have been created and worked on it. This was the thing. This was the brief project overview. You can check out from here, or for further, you can decide whatever you wanted to do in this, or you can connect to the team.